Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. This is my next video in Python machine learning, and today we are going to learn how to plot quarterly revenue on a bar chart using Python Matplotlib library. So this is my first video in which I will be talking about Matplotlib library. In upcoming videos, we'll be going to continue more working on Matplotlib. So let's have a look how to create a bar chart and plot the quarterly revenue onto it. In this video, we'll be going to extract data from MongoDB and plotting it onto Python. So first of all, let me show you my MongoDB dataset. So that's the data I have stored in my MongoDB, and I would like to connect to this. So the dataset name is finance dataset. So let's have a look how to do that. So first we will add all the required libraries, and in this library we have a matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. We have imported this library as well. Then we would be going to build a connectivity with MongoDB and pull finance data and capture into data. And I would be converting the data type of revenue into numeric. I'm interested only in three columns: quarter, product category, and revenue. So I just write data one, data, quarter, product category, and revenue, because it would be extracting the complete set of record. There are 23 columns, and I'm not interested in 23 columns. I'm looking only for quarter, product category, and revenue. And I rename product category as product category. I just remove this. I just remove the space in between product and category. Then I group by product category and store into by quarter. Then I find out the unique products, unique quarter, and the quarter total. And that quarter total for this will be using Lambda expression. And in this Lambda expression, I calculate it by quarter and store into quarter total. And I get the list of quarter total and captured into. And finally, I just plot it. Opacity as set as 0.8, bar width as 0.80. And I use PLT bar quarter total alpha dot opacity. So this will be plotting quarter and quarter total. I set the title as quarter wise total. I set X label as quarter and Y label as revenue and PLT dot show. So let's test it. I just save it first of all, and I save this name as test1.py. Just save it. It will execute the program, and you can see we are getting the quarter wise revenue for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And we had the labels respectively, the title, the X label, and Y label. So that's the way how we can use Matplotlib library to plot, to do plotting in Python. That's all in this video. We'll be going to come up with some new videos related to Matplotlib library. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.